If your metrics look too good, they might be fake. We will create a tiny leakage mistake in Python and learn the checks that catch it early. You have seen models suddenly hit perfect accuracy and felt the thrill. Then deployment arrives, and the model fails quietly. After this video, you will know how to spot the simplest kind of target leakage. Reproduce it with a tiny dataset, and add a cheap pre-flight test to avoid that trap. You will leave with a mental checklist and a small Python pattern you can reuse. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI foundations from basics to advanced with simple, concepts-first Python that helps you solve bigger, real-world problems. Target leakage is when a feature carries information that would not be available at prediction time. It feels like magic because metrics jump, but the magic is cheating. This happens when a dataset includes post-outcome fields, administrative flags, or anything derived from the true label. In production, the feature is gone and the model falls apart. For small data, this is easy to demo and just as easy to fix if you know what to look for. Intuitively, we are trying to separate true signal from sneaky answers. Imagine a column that is literally the answer typed again. A model that uses that column does not learn a pattern in the inputs. It learns to copy. Strength of this example is clarity. Weakness is that real leaks can be subtler, like timestamps or aggregated stats, and need slightly fancier scans. We will build a tiny toy dataset where one column is a direct copy of the label. Train as if nothing is wrong, then simulate deployment without that column. You'll see perfect training accuracy and then collapse. We will add a simple ranking of features by agreement and a final rule-based fallback. Now we create the small dataset and show the perfect but fake score. This snippet creates a tiny dataset where a leaky feature copies the label to show inflated accuracy. The list base holds simple numeric pairs, and rows turns each pair into a record with features F1 and F2 and a target Y defined by A plus B greater than 2. The column leak is deliberately set equal to Y, representing a classic leakage mistake, like using a post-outcome field. The variable ACK measures how often leak equals Y, which will be every row by construction. Printing a perfect score highlights how leakage can make a model look flawless without learning anything useful. Next, we simulate what happens when the leak disappears in production. This snippet simulates deployment by hiding the leaked column at test time to reveal the accuracy drop. The variable TR keeps earlier rows for training, while TE copies the last 3 rows without the leak key to mimic a real-world feed that lacks the future-derived field. Because a leaky trained model would rely on leak, we simulate its failure by defaulting predictions to 0 when leak is missing. The expression test ACK counts how often this naive fallback matches Y on T. The printed drop shows why models that depend on leakage collapse once the answer is no longer available. Next, we run a quick feature scan to find anything that matches the label T well. This snippet ranks features by their agreement rate with the target to surface suspicious columns. The list calls names candidate inputs, and the dictionary scores stores each feature's exact match rate against Y across rows. Using a comprehension, it counts how often RC equals RY and normalizes by the dataset size. The variable top selects the highest scoring column, which will expose an exact copy of the label if present. Seeing the leaky feature rank first is a strong diagnostic that something is wrong and merits immediate removal. Now we remove the leak and replace the broken model with a simple transparent rule. This snippet removes the leaky column and applies a transparent rule on valid features to restore reliability. The threshold S defines a simple decision boundary using F1 plus F2, mirroring a plausible pre-outcome signal. The list pred holds binary predictions for each test row T and Axi measures how often those predictions match Y. Increasing S makes the rule more conservative, predicting fewer positives and often lowering recall. Decreasing S does the opposite and can increase false positives. The improved accuracy shows that a leak-free, interpretable rule can outperform a broken, leaky model in practice. Finally, we add a cheap pre-flight test to catch the easiest leaks before modeling. This snippet adds a fast pre-flight test that flags any feature identical to the target. The list calls lists candidate inputs to scan, and the comprehension leaky keeps those where every record exactly matches Y. The variable flag converts the result to a readable label list or none if nothing is suspicious. This check is cheap to run and catches the easiest form of leakage before any modeling. The printed flag shows which columns must be dropped to avoid misleading metrics. In a real project, you would run that same exact check after data ingestion and before any train test split. If the check flags a column, drop it and reevaluate metrics. That single step turns many silent failures into a loud, fixable bug. Recap: target leakage is a feature carrying the answer rather than a true signal. Use it when you are validating data quality and trust metrics only after leak checks. One caveat: simple exact match checks catch only the bluntest leaks. Subtler leaks need pattern analysis. Next step: automate the agreement scan as part of your training pipeline and add a threshold so the pipeline fails fast when any column exceeds the agreement limit. If AI Foundations in Python help, subscribe and watch the AI Foundations videos.